It's the 10th of the Jewish month of Elul, which is a very special month in the Jewish calendar. It is the month that takes us up to the new year and to Yom Kippur, the Day of Judgment. We're here to learn a little bit and to practice some of the rituals, cemetery rituals of Eastern Europe that have, since the Holocaust and before, really since the end of the 19th century, been going out of practice. And today we're mostly going to be learning about one particular ritual, which in Yiddish is called feldmestn, means cemetery measuring. And this was led often by professional women known as feldmesterins. As we go through the cemetery today, try to think of it as something like a portal. This is a place where the veil between this world and the spirit world is thinner, where we're more in touch with the dead and through the dead, more in touch with the divine. In certain places in Eastern Europe, the feldmesterins would wait in the cemetery in the month of Elul, and they would wait for people to come and people would pay them. They would measure the cemetery with thread. As they measured, they would say particular prayers, speak to the dead who were buried there, and they would then take that thread and use it to make special candles for Yom Kippur that would kind of call on the dead to help the living on this day of judgment.
Lieber Gott, lass uns beistehen, der Schuss von Sarah Rivka Rachel Leah.
Tayrer Chaver Morris. Dear comrade Morris.
Der Schuss von Sarah Rivka Rachel Leah.
Wir seien gekommen ein zu euch in euer Kever. We've come to you today in your grave.
Der Schuss von Sarah Rivka Rachel Leah.
Im Mesten seid also gut seid ihr Matriach für uns, take the trouble for us, und zu beten, als mir soll nicht leiden, also wie ihr hat gebeten, für also viel Würden und Nichtwürden und Arbeiter. So please take the trouble, make pains, do what you know how to do, and advocate for us in the way that you advocated for so many when you were alive, that we should not suffer injustices, that we should have a more equal world.